Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you all so much for joining me again. In our channel, we get to learn all about marketing, entrepreneurship, and personal growth. So be sure that you stick around if you want to learn more about how to manifest your best opportunities and possibilities. Honestly, my whole life I've been able to gather a vision of what it is that I want, and if I want it bad enough, I can honestly say it normally gravitates towards me. The reason being is because I genuinely want to achieve that. It's a goal and I'm doing it for the right reasons. So for right now, the path that I'm headed is helping people through coaching and also through building websites. Whatever it is that you're headed towards, you have to have a mindset that it's achievable and that you could possibly attain it. It's just a matter of time. So I'm going to teach you 6 different ways that or 6 different things that I've used towards achieving different opportunities and just keeping me inspired and motivated every single day, because it's not about what you do the one day, it's what you do day after day that ends up creating those positive opportunities and help you achieve everything you want through manifesting those desired outcomes. So think about what it is that you want to manifest and what you want to gravitate towards you. I can honestly say if you sleep on those thoughts, you write them down, and you really want them, that they are going to gravitate towards you. So here is the very first tip that I have for you. Number 1 is to have it written down. So one specific thing, they each have a purpose. This one is very business oriented and it's different tips or ideas, things that I just come up with on the top of my head. Besides writing them on my phone, this is my go-to in order to stay inspired. Even when I'm listening to podcasts or audio, it just helps me stay motivated and look towards opportunities. And it's okay to change your passions and your interests. You mature over time, or you just change directions depending on where your life is headed. So it's totally okay so long as you do have one vision. And when it comes to business, try to stick to it for long term because you're more likely to see results. Now, my other journal is this one. It's a lot more personal so that I can look back at whenever there's something that I felt really strongly about. And a lot of the time that intuition was helping me head towards a big ultimate goal really work. Now, my last one, and it's one of my favorites, is going to be the one for faith. This is a prayer journal, so it has really great different things like gratitude, and it just helps you realize what you should be thankful for that day, or what you should be working towards. So it'll have like a little prayer, a little story, and then you get to write down your different thoughts or what it is that you're aspiring for or wanting to achieve. And I honestly feel if you have faith and you ask for it strongly enough, but you also have to work towards it, and you also have to work towards it, that you'll manifest and really achieve what it is that you want. So write it down is my number 1, because now it's on paper, it's on your mind, and you're more than likely to use your subconscious to keep gravitating those goals and those desires. So write a whole lot down, and not just like your to-dos, but really what you want in depth, the pros, the cons, and just what brings you happiness and what you're aspiring for. It doesn't matter what it is. It could be something that's very personal, like a relationship, or it could be something that's more general. It could be like your physical health and your mental health. Whatever it is that you feel strongly about, journal it and work towards that. My next thing is that you need to surround yourself with peace and happiness and just relaxation in order to be able to work harder towards the things that you want. So my house, I try to set it super peaceful. I usually put some on my hey Google, my little machine that my cousin gave me. It's been super beneficial for years already, and I just put peaceful yoga music throughout the day, and it just makes our home super relaxed. Even if my kids are running up and down, it allows me and my husband to focus on our different goals and things that we're trying to achieve. Along with that music is the candles. So I'll have candles turned on. My friend gave me this one. It's champagne toast made with essential oils from Bath and Body, and it smells so good, but I'm almost out, as you can see, so I'll be getting another one very soon. I already ordered one in Target, but I highly recommend that you have one for you. And for males, there's different smells. You can do like the wood smell, the tobacco, like whatever it is that you like. Even if you like the ocean breeze, linen, it doesn't matter. For me, I tried so many different ones out, and when I'm out, like right now that this one's way too low, I don't even care. I will bring out the fall season ones. This one smells so good. It's like an autumn pine smell, and it really brings in all this energy of like the season. It feels like you're way ahead of the summer. So I feel like, okay, I need to move it on things because the year's almost over, which yes, 2020 needs to be over soon enough because this is craziness. And yeah, this candle and my other ones, my sister gave me this one. You can tell a lot of the things I'm mentioning, they've been gifts, and gifts normally bring so much energy and positivity if it's the right people giving it to you. So those are really cool. I try to keep them on. I have one on right now, and that one is the peonies flower smell, and I absolutely love peonies. That one helps. So my next thing is that while you're trying to stay up late or waking up early, have something to energize you. And if coffee is way too much of a hype, then obviously you want to try something else. And for me, in my Jeep cup or some of my pink Starbucks cups, I always try to have tea, especially late at night. I feel like teas are so beneficial late in the evening with no caffeine. They still keep you up and they keep you motivated, moving towards your goals, because if you are manifesting high standards, you know what you want, well, you need to stay up and work for them or wake up early to get them. It's not gonna happen during the day when you're super busy with a million other things. So this is my Té Verde green tea. I really love this green tea. It's one of my favorites. My husband introduced me to this one, and it just gives you like a very soothing feel, so you can stay focused but still feel relaxed while you're working, which is one of the main things towards achieving more goals. I attribute a lot of my life successes and personal growth to being able to stay up late or waking up early. If you do one or the other or both combined, which is so much better, then you're able to achieve more, because during the day you already have the task at hand. You have your phone ringing, your emails, you have your actual like duties that you're doing. Nighttime is more for like the bigger goals that you're trying to achieve and you're working towards every day. So here's the other one I use. It's the lemon ginger organic tea. I bought this one when I was pregnant a year and 3 months ago. Well, when my pregnancy started 2 years ago actually. And this ginger tea is great if you're pregnant because it will make sure that you don't have so much morning sickness. But what I really like about it now is that it's very healing if you have any thyroid problems or in general, because it has the lemon and it has orange peel and all those flavors. I really feel that it's giving you so many vitamins and it's giving you a lot of health, while at the same time it has that zesty feeling that just gets you like super going. And I love this one at night. It like really does the job. Now this one is manzanilla tea, and just the flavor of it with honey is absolutely delicious. It also really energizes me. Some people, it makes them very soothed and sleepy, so be careful, decide if it works for you or not. But these teas are magical when it comes to trying to just get your energy levels going and really getting some work done. So let's get back to business. The next thing that I use is this reminder. So I have this pink crystal, and this is one of my favorite things when it comes to manifesting your goals, when it comes to business or family and just growth in general. I always have crystals. I used to use a white crystal for healing of my back, and it would remind me of like the energy, but also I would put it along my back and it would seriously bring so much positivity and energy. So I highly recommend you get yourself some crystals. If you don't like to have these laying around, there's even bottles, water bottles that are really pretty and they have the crystal on the bottom, or diffusers for essential oils that have different crystals and colorful rocks. We even went to a museum in Dallas and we saw so many. My older daughter was so happy and she absolutely loved them. They really do give you that positive energy, and maybe pick one that reminds you of the big goal that you have. The next thing I have is going to be these headphones. I have to have these. I can't have the loose ones, even though I have a pair of wireless ones that my husband gave me. They weren't Apple, they were some other brand, I don't remember what. But I used to use those at work a lot when I was teaching business a few years ago. Now I use these whenever I'm with my girls and they're busy playing or they're watching shows. I put these on and I can listen to my own stuff. So I can listen to like podcasts or really informative videos. I can listen to audiobooks. so that I'm not taking the time from being there, but at the same time I'm still being productive. And obviously we have a lot of times when we go outdoors and I'm extremely present in their moment, learning and keep achieving. So have some headphones or just have some music in general. It could be peaceful music to give you some good positive energy. If not, it should be music or audiobooks or podcasts that are helping you learn more to achieve your dreams that you're manifesting towards. And lastly, the one thing that I didn't do last week, and honestly that is probably the reason that you didn't get a video, along with way too many things that were happening in my personal and family life, with the whole virus situation, which has been absolutely terrible, and I hope you all are staying healthy. But I did stop going out on walks. I was worried for my kids, and not going out on those walks caused me to feel extremely drained. I did not want to do a thing. I was doing my work related things for the business and just my chores around the house, but I didn't have the energy to do all my passion projects and obviously to work towards the things that are very long term for me. So once I got the opportunity to get back on the treadmill, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna make it work 20 minutes at least while the kids are with my husband. I made it happen. And so now I'm back to having the energy I needed in order to be doing these videos for you guys and for myself, because I love doing this. Self-moving, no matter what it is, if it's an app that you have on your phone, 5-10 minutes, if it's 30 minutes or an hour running outside, or weights, whatever you can do, it really helps your energy and it really boosts your mood in order for you to be achieving all those different goals that you have. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. We're at 35 people and I feel like that's super exciting for me. My goal is to get to 100 as soon as possible because I just want to keep growing. By the end of fall, my goal is to be at 500 people. So help me out, subscribe, share this video with as many people as you can, and liking my video will allow me to realize if you're enjoying my videos or not. And it will also allow other people to start watching my video because it makes the YouTube algorithm show them more. So please do that. Thank you so much, and make sure you connect on my Instagram, Valderas Marketing, and watch all the different tips, clips, things that I share on there in order to help you with your business. We still keep family as one. Thank you all very much. I love you all. Take care. Bye. I'll see you next time.